boys and girls, what do you normally do on Sundays? Exercise in the park? Go to a dim sum restaurant with your family? Go shopping? Or go hiking with your friends? You can tell me later. First, let's meet some other people and ask them. Let me start with this family. Good morning.
Good morning.
What do you normally do on Sundays?
We come to this park every Sunday. Take a walk, play with our son. Nothing special really.
I see. Hello, what's your name?
Nathan.
Nathan, I can see you've got a bicycle. Can you show me how to ride a bicycle?
No.
We only bought the bike for him yesterday, didn't we?
Yes.
And learning how to ride it today, aren't we?
Yes.
Can I watch you, Nathan?
Okay.
Of course you can.
Okay, Nathan, put your hands on the handlebars. Get onto the seat. Put your feet on the pedal.
You all right?
And I'll push you from behind.
Oh, good, good. Well done, well done.
Hello, Nathan. Do you enjoy riding your bike?
Yes, very much.
Once more?
Yes, please.
Ready?
Yeah?
Let's go.
Nathan is enjoying himself. Many other people are also enjoying themselves in the park. What are they doing? Fresh air and a beautiful sea view. This is St. Stephen's Beach Water Sports Center. What do people normally do here on Sundays? I can see many people windsurfing here. I know that many people have heard of windsurfing because of Lee Lai Shan or San San, as Hong Kong people like to call her. She has won many international races for Hong Kong. Do you think windsurfing has become a favorite sport because of San San? Let's find out. Hi, Sandy.
Hi.
Hey, Sandy, what do you normally do here on Sundays?
I come here to learn windsurfing every Sunday morning.
So why do you want to learn windsurfing then?
Well, I like outdoor activities and I normally go swimming or hiking on Sundays. Then one day I watched San San in a competition on TV. She won her race and gained a gold medal for Hong Kong. I told my mother that I wanted to learn windsurfing, so here I am.
So you want to be another San San, huh?
Yes, if I can, but it's not the only reason why I want to learn.
So what is the other reason?
Well, windsurfing is a lot of hard work, but I enjoy the exercise. That's why I do it.
When there's a will, there's a way. I'm sure you'll win one day.
Thank you.
So you can see how much Sandy enjoys her favorite sport. So are you doing your favorite things on Sundays?
No, leave me alone.
Dennis, get up! You said you'd play with me today.
No!
Dennis, are you coming or not? We can't wait for you the whole day.
No!
Dennis, can't you just get up and come out with us? It's Sunday today.
Yes, please get up.
No! Sunday. Leave me alone. I don't care if there are no more Sundays. Why am I back at school? Dennis, where's your homework? Homework? I haven't done it yet. It's Sunday today. I'll hand it in tomorrow. Sunday? What Sunday? We don't have Sundays anymore. What do you mean? No more Sundays?
Daddy, come to ride the bike with me today.
I'm busy today, Nathan. I have a meeting to go to in 10 minutes.
But you said you'll come and ride the bike with me today.
I'm busy today. Anyway, there is no Sunday this week.
Why? Why don't we have Sunday?
Nobody understands. Anyway, it was cancelled.
Mom, I must go to my windsurfing lessons. I don't want to miss it.
No. No more windsurfing lessons from now on. Come on, off you go to school.
Why, Mum? You always said that outdoor activities are good.
But we don't have time now. There are no more Sundays. Going to school is very important.
Mom, then when can I take my windsurfing lessons again?
I've no idea. Darling, I miss Sundays too. On Sundays, your dad and I normally go to the bookstore. After that, we'd go to the little cafe inside the bookstore. We'd often read the newspaper or chat over a cup of coffee. We also enjoyed seeing new things in the shops. I do miss Sundays. Sundays was our family day.
Hey, out of my way!
Can't you say sorry? Hi, Mr. River.
Oh, hello, Dennis.
Bye, Mr. River.
Dennis, here's some shopping. Take it home with you. I've got to run.
Mom, where are you going? Mom! Why is everybody in such a hurry today?
Hi, Dennis.
Hi, Sandy.
Dennis. Dennis, are you all right?
Why is everybody in such a hurry? Why is everybody so impolite? And why don't they have time to talk to me?
Dennis, they're tired.
Monday, painting. Tuesday, painting. Wednesday night, I'm painting. Thursday, painting. Friday, painting. Saturday, all day. Sunday, paint. Oh, Sunday. I'm tired on Sunday. Do I have to paint? What? Yes? Okay.
What are you doing? Why are you so busy?
I'm working on the computer. I must finish this design by 5 o'clock this afternoon.
What is Dennis's mother doing? Why is she so busy?
I need a rest.
A rest.
Please give Sunday
Give
back
Sunday
to me.
back to me.
How can I give Sunday back to them?
I'm sorry, I don't know. I wish I could help.
Hey, that's Abby. Abby, why are you crying? What's wrong? Come on, tell me. I'm your brother.
My friends don't want to come and play with me anymore. They're all busy. It's you. It's you. Why did you say you didn't want Sundays anymore?
I just said it. I didn't mean it. I'm sorry, Abby. We'll help you find your friends.
Yeah, don't worry.
I know. Let's write a song.
Can it bring back Sunday?
Yes. Well, I hope so. Let's work together.
Let's go out in the sunlight. It's Sunday, Sunday. Let's go out in the sunlight and lie in the friendly light. Let's rise bright and early. It's Sunday, Sunday. Let's go out in the sunlight with hats and sunblock cream. Let's eat, drink and play. Roast pork and duck. It's Sunday. Let's give out lots of kisses. Sweet fruits and cakes. It's Sunday. Let's sit down and wait for Daddy and Mommy, brothers and sisters still to come. It's Sunday, Sunday. Let's all on this Sunday be happy and not sad. Let's hope that we can be kind, bring good luck, not bad.
It's Sunday, Sunday. Let's go out in the sunlight. It's Sunday, Sunday. It's my family day.
Cheers! It's Sunday! Now, can you tell me, what do people normally do on Sundays? Good morning!
Good morning.
What do you normally do on Sundays?
We come to this park every Sunday. Take a walk, play with our son. Nothing special, really.
What does Nathan normally do on Sundays? What does Sandy normally do on Sundays?
Windsurfing is a lot of hard work, but I enjoy the exercise. That's why I do it.
Oh, darling, look, this is the one I was telling you about.
What do Sandy's parents normally do on Sundays?
On Sundays, your dad and I normally go to the bookstore. After that, we'd go to the little cafe inside the bookstore. We also enjoyed seeing new things in the shops.
What do you normally do on Sundays? How about you?
I normally play frisbee on Sunday mornings and study with my classmates in the afternoon.